This Bitcoin chart revealed token next move, guys, so get ready. Yes, you need to be ready now. As you see, guys, that weekly candle here, it finished today. The Bitcoin gave us here a red engulfing pattern here, same like that one here exactly. And also we told you till now we still have here that mega fall like that. We show you that before. Maybe now the Bitcoin we're going to see it falling down to touch the lower here exactly at 50k or something like that. That's the first scenario. Second scenario we got, by the way, before we continue it, guys, we want that video to reach to 100 like. I know you can do it, so please smash the like button, write down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give long-term swing trading and day trading signals. If you are interested, you can join us in our VIP Discord. You're going to find the link of our Patreon down in the description of that video. You click at it, you're going to land here in our Patreon. You choose VIP cryptocurrency if you want only for Bitcoin. If you want even for stock market, you choose elite members. And inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps. Also, yes, all the weekend and even today we are not going to enter any trade because the market is closed. And also we are coming to that, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you, here in the weekly we still have here that megaphone here. You see it? So we're talking a lot about it. We said it's need to be broken here for us to enter more long. Till now also we still sideways, and also we tell it to you when we touch here that 47k, we told you the Bitcoin is going to stay sideways here like that. We told you all those things before. Another thing very important, you remember that up channel also we got here in the weekly. We told you when we touch the top of it, there is one of two, the Bitcoin from here is going to fall down to touch the lower of that up channel. At the first scenario. Second scenario, we told you is going to stay sideways here till we touching the lower of it. Then after that we're going to see another pump, guys. That's what also we told you, because it's being the summer, guys, and the holiday time. That's why we saw that market is doing like that. But me, I'm sure 100% in the coming days we're going to see a move upward, guys, same like how it happened here. You remember that? Maybe you're going to see the same thing. Yes, in smaller time frames maybe you're going to see a falling down, but for long term we are going more up. And we got another thing here in the weekly, guys. Let me show it to you. The other thing we got here in the weekly, guys, look at it. Look at the 20 moving average. When we touch it the second time, the Bitcoin gave us here that red engulfing pattern here in the chart. Now what my view personally, also we are going to touch the 50 moving average, which is down here exactly at 53,347. That level here, we're going to touch it that week. Then after that we're going to see what's going to happen. Levels, you need to look at them here in the weekly. First level is it that one here, 53,347. Next level is it here, 43,754. Another level we got, which is down here, is it at 28,835. Those ones, the levels, you need to look at them very close, guys. Another thing happened here in the weekly. The 100 moving average is cross above the 200 moving average, guys. All that move here, and 100 is being down here. By the close of that week, we just cross above, guys. That the golden cross, some people they call it. That way, me I told you, I'm still sure, even if we fall down here to that 53k, maybe you're going to see the Bitcoin going above again, guys. So those ones, the levels, draw them at your chart and wait to see what the reaction is going to happen. Why me? I'm still very bullish, guys. Let me show you why. I'm still very bullish, guys, in the Bitcoin because of that one here. I tell you that a lot here in that channel, but the sentiment of the market and the majority of the people, they still bullish, guys. I'm going to prove to you in when we came to lower time frames what me I'm saying or what I meant. But here, look at it. The bulls, they still powerful. The bears, they are smaller, guys. So you need to be careful. So I think picture is very clear here. Now let's going to show you the coming news for all the week, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the coming news for all the week. As you see here, That Monday we don't got anything. We just got the holiday, the Labor Day in USA. So the market is going to be closed. That's what me I tell the people they follow me. The market, it will not move a lot. Tuesday, what we got? Tuesday we got the ISM manufacturing, guys. That one it affect a lot the US dollar. As you see it here, it's going to fall down maybe. So let's wait and see what's going to do in the US dollar. And Wednesday, what we got? We got the jolt. Even that one is a little bit important because it's going to come the unemployment rate at the end of the week. Thursday, what we got? EDP non-farm unemployment change, initial jobless claim, and ISM non-manufacturing. Then the most important day of that week, which is here in Friday. In Friday, we're going to see a huge move. We got average hourly earning, non-farm payroll, and unemployment rate, guys. So those was the things you need to focus about that week. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day, guys. As you see it here, all US stocks market or US indices, all of them, they are bullish. All of them, they're closing the week green. Our friend down here, the VIX, as you see it, Scarness and the Fair, it's still below the average. That means the market is at stable till now. There is nothing to make it worried, and even you don't need to be worried, my friend. Just hold your Bitcoin or your stock and relax. There is nothing to be worried about. So I think I explained everything, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin, what they're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here the Bitcoin today, it gives us here a candle. It's breaking all the tails of those pin bars as we've been waiting, but here in daily there is nothing yet. If you remember what I told you we need to wait in the break to happen in the lower of the double bottom or the neckline of the double bottom down here for us to enter a short. Till now as we're still in a very stronger level, which is here. And the market now is it closed is only those market makers and smaller retail traders, they fighting together. Market is going to open till US volume enter again. So as we still waiting the US market to open again, at this time there is nothing here, and me I told you here for the bulls, you wait in that one here, that head and shoulder here, that one, it's still active, guys. It's need only the market to come back above here to break for you the neckline of that head and shoulder. That the first scenario. For the short, we told you got here a double top like that. I'm talking here about mid-term, guys, not smaller time frames. Neckline of it is it here at 56,112. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, you need to enter a short, and we told you till 48k. That is where it need to be your target. So I think I explained everything here. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, plus to give you there some levels. You need to look at them very closer. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. As you see, that level here used to be in it. It pushed the Bitcoin down. Even that level where we used to be here is getting broke now. Now that level where we are, even that level is very stronger level. So you need to focus about it. Exactly here at 56,992. Another level you need to look at it very close, which is here 53,540, and the down level is it here at 49,056. Those ones the levels you need to look at them, my friend, because Bitcoin in daily telling us we are in a downtrend, but in the weekly it telling us we are in an uptrend. So those ones the things you need to look at them very close to see what's going to happen in the coming days. Until now, everything is telling us one thing: maybe the Bitcoin is going to fall down to that level here. So as we still waiting what's going to happen, no matter where it goes, also we're going to catch it. And that's why also we're telling you to join our VIP Discord, where we're giving over there daily signals if you want to catch in those smaller moves with us. And even for long term, we give long term signals. Us today we just buying from that level here. We're buying for long term because us we put in pending orders. It's being triggered, we buy, and I got another pending order down here at 53k, another one down here at 49k. If it's getting triggered, fair enough. If it's not, I buy enough of Bitcoin. Even you can trade with us like that if you want. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, you remember what me I told you? I told you either is going to give you here a double bottom and to come to break for you the neckline of the double bottom here in the Ethereum for you to enter along. It done it? Not yet, my friend. Actually, today it came back down here to that very stronger level where it touches before. It came back to it. Now let's see what's going to happen here, because now if you came and you do like that, you got here like a triangle. You need to wait it where it's going to be. If it's getting broke the top of it here, that's my more long. If it's getting broke the down of it at that level here, you need to enter more short, my friend. That's my view personally here. The level you need to look at it here in the Ethereum, which level you need to look at it? That one here, exactly at 2312. That level here, you need to look at it very carefully. The next level is it that one here, that uptrend, as we've been talking about it long time here. As you see it here, that one is a very long term trend. Another level you need to look at it is down here, 2112. Now let's see if the Ethereum going to touch that level here, then after that to bounce above. At the first scenario, second scenario from here is going to touch that long term uptrend, then after that to bounce above. And the scenario me I'm looking at it from that level here to bounce above, but not yet. It's need the market to confirm that for me. How is going to confirm that for me? By a price action here in that level, telling me the market is going to bounce above. So me I'm still waiting what's going to happen. So I think I explained everything. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Ethereum, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, when it touch here in that level where we are now, the extreme oversold area as we buy. Now as we still waiting what's going to happen here, because till now, as I told you before, as we still only in a place where is the bears they controlling. I tell you that in yesterday video, that man, as we still only in a downtrend, guys. There is nothing changed, so we need to wait it till the right time. What's going to happen here in that level where we are, if we're going to break more down or the market from here is going to go above. So I think I explained everything here. If you haven't understand anything, you can go down to the comment section and to write it for us your question, and we're going to reply you as soon possible. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, it's breaking for us. Neckline of that head and shoulder as we talked about before. As you see it here, is getting broke here. It's when you need to enter a short, but me personally, I'm not going to enter a short based on that break there. The reason why, because of that one here, that level where we are is a very stronger level here. So me, I'm still waiting it if the Bitcoin going to break it and to go more down. Because that one you can treat it like that, like a double top or a cup and handle, or name it whatever you want. Me, I'm still waiting what's going to happen here exactly at that level here. If we're going to break it, we're going to enter more short. If it's not, we need to wait. For the long, we need to wait till the Bitcoin to come back above till here and to break here for us to enter more long. That we're still far away from it. We need to wait it, guys. Exactly, it's going to be the break here at 62k. We need at least to close above 60k. Till now, as we still 57 at this time when we register in that video. So maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down, but me, I'm still looking at that level here as I just show you here. That one here is very important level. We need to see the Bitcoin what it's going to do down here. So everything is possible in the coming days, but till now the market is still closed. We need to wait till it's open. Then also we're going to see which direction we're going to take. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys. Our indicator, guys, you remember that hidden divergence I showed you yesterday. I told you got here a hidden divergence. That hidden divergence is breaking for you the lower of it exactly here. It's telling you one thing, the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that, but also we are very close to touch here extreme oversold area. So also we're still waiting to see what's going to happen in the coming days, because anything it's possible, guys. On the market, when is it closed, you can trust in that market what's going to happen. But if it fall down more, I'm going to give you that advice. You use it like that. If it fall down more, use it as an opportunity to buy in a discount or Bitcoin in cheaper price. Bitcoin, it will go up no matter how long it take, and Bitcoin, it's not something will get spoiled like a fruit or fish or something like that. It just started. Plus something very, very, very important, guys, that one, it's not a financial advice, that's just my opinion. So if you want to hold Bitcoin for long term, you can buy it and store it for long term. So I think I explained everything to you guys here. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, guys, there is a war. Look here, you got here that level here, and down here you can come and do something like that. So you got here like a wage here. You need to wait in that wage if the Bitcoin going to break above at more long. If the Bitcoin breaking down here, it's going to fall down more than that. At this time, it's look like there is a war here. So you need to see what's going to happen in the coming hours, either the break or the reverse from that level where we are. Now let's see our indicator we're saying here in the Bitcoin, guys, because that one is very, very important. If you're looking here, guys, we got here now a divergence like that. You see it, that one here. That here in 30 minutes, we got here a divergence, very, very, very clear divergence. Even from that one, guys, you got here a big divergence like that. But me, I'm not going to focus about that one. Me, I'm focused only about that one here, that divergence here. Shall we enter a long based on divergence? Not yet, my friend. For us to enter a long, it's need the Bitcoin to come back to break for us above here for us to enter a long. That's for the first scenario. For second scenario, if the Bitcoin fall down and breaking the lower of that wage, me I just show you in the chart, you need to enter more short that the wage me I'm talking about. Look at it here, that one here, and the one here. Those ones you need to focus about them. Where is the real breakout going to happen, guys? In the top, more long. Here in the lower, maybe it's going to go back to the top here. Even though when it's possible. So you draw your chart and waiting where is the real breakout going to be, guys. So I think picture is very, very clear here. We don't need to explain more. By the way, my friend, if you reach till that level, you are a very, very, very special person. Go down and write a hashtag I have done it for me to know you. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video. Bye for now.